Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to trade on EHA Markets app in just a few simple steps. But before we continue, please keep in mind, nothing mentioned in this video is financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. Now, this video is for informational and educational purposes only, so please do your own research. So with that out of the way, let's go ahead and dive in. So first, go ahead and click the three-line icon from the home page. From here, you can choose the asset you want to trade. So we have here cryptos, forex. So let's say, for example, let's go with Bitcoin. There we go. Now, after that, go ahead and click the trade that you can see on the screen right over here at the lower right corner. Click that. Then enter the amount you want to trade. And then from here, you can now buy or sell an asset. And basically, that's about it. Now you know how to trade on EHA Markets app in just a few simple steps. So please, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.